How to change screen timeout settings in Windows 11. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to change the screen timeout settings in Windows 11 to keep your screen on for longer or make it turn off faster. The easiest way to adjust screen timeout is through the Windows settings. Right-click on the Start menu and simply select or open Settings. Go to System and simply from there tap on Power and Battery. Now on power and battery, simply scroll and tap on screen and sleep. You'll see various options. On battery power, turn off my screen after. From there, simply tap on the scroll down or the drop down menu and select your preferred timeout duration. Simply set it to never if you don't want your screen to turn off automatically. Now let's move on to the next step. You can also adjust screen timeout using the control panel. Just press Windows plus R and simply type control and hit enter. Here, simply tap on click and hardware sound. From there, simply go to power options. In power option, you can simply select change plan settings next to your active power plan, and you can simply choose your turn off the display time and all the settings. Once you simply choose your preferred timeout duration, simply click on save. This method is useful if you're using different power plans. Now let's move on to the next method. If you want to stop your PC from sleeping too quickly, here's how. Just open settings and simply go to system and power and battery. And under power mode, you can simply find best performance. Simply tap on that. And that's how you can change the screen timeout settings in Windows 11 easily.